Hey guys, this is a quick video, but today I have some exciting news to share. This year I'm joining CurlyCon for a virtual event. It's basically a conference dedicated to connecting you with curly hair experts and curly hair companies around the world, just to talk about the best tips and techniques and hair care products, everything curly hair. We'll be doing a lot of live demonstrations and just talking about how to style your hair and learning from other people who may have similar or different hair types. I've wanted to be a part of this event since I first started making hair videos, so I'm so excited because they are letting me speak this year, so I get to hold my own session and everything. Also, I'm doing my first giveaway on any of my social media platforms. What comes with it is access to all the sessions over the weekend at CurlyCon, and then also you get a $100 swag bag. All you have to do to enter is follow me on Instagram at curly.strands and also follow at CurlyCon 2022, and then make sure you like and save my last post just talking about the event and giving some details. Lastly, be sure to comment and tag a curly girly, a curl friend who might be interested in learning more about curly health. The best part too is more comments means more entries, so if you comment extra, you have a higher chance of being chosen up. I really hope to see some of you there. Please let me know if you plan to join or if you took part in the contest, anything like that. I did try to keep this video short and sweet, straight to the point, just cover the basics, but if you do have more questions, of course, you can leave them in the comments or DM me on Instagram.